Hi guys, let's spend an afternoon with me. It is mainly going to be decluttering and sorting out my room, but also I am freezing, so I'm hoping this warms me up because my floor is literally freezing. That's one thing I hate about the winter, because you need to keep the windows open during the day for condensation and just everything like that, so it doesn't get worse and worse. But while you're keeping the windows open during the day, when you're out and about, it gets freezing in the house and I'm literally cold. But we're gonna try and warm myself up, and I have started already. I've got this big pile over there. So I've done my desk, and that's like clothes that were on the floor or my chair. Don't judge me, okay? I've had a busy 2 weeks. But I want to sort my clothes out. But first of all, we need to do the surrounding of my room, and I'll probably hoover as well. It's a proper deep clean, and I'm going to do it till it's dinner. So it is 13 minutes past 5 o'clock, so it's probably within an hour. So let's start this. So I've just had my dinner, and now we're gonna get back to it, but I don't know how long I'm gonna do it for because I am still so cold and I want a bath. I want to feel smooth, and I just love using my Malo's Beauty. You don't know what Malo's Beauty is? It is these things here. So I haven't actually got the body butters, like body scrubs and that, except from this body scrub. And I do want to try other body scrubs, but the gingerbread one got out of stock, and I don't know if they're gonna bring it back. But I got the gingerbread scrub because I just couldn't resist. The minute she said we might not be bringing them back, and I'm pretty sure she said we're not bringing them back, I need to get this. Oh, it just smells like gingerbread biscuits. And this is not an ad. I do not get paid. Well, unless it's on TikTok and you purchase an item, I get paid. But like, look, it is beautiful. This is the other one. This is the mermaid one. It goes with my light. Oh my god, look. Aesthetic. But I've used most of that, and I'll probably use that tonight. I don't need to do my armpits because I've done them, and I also kind of don't need to shave, but like the minute I see like a couple of, not even a couple, there is quite a lot of strands on my hair. There is quite a lot on my legs, but it's not like really long. Like I used to go weeks, it sounds really bad, but I used to go weeks without shaving, especially in winter time. But since I've got this and this is the body scrub, this is the watermelon one. That is what it looks like. Yeah, since I've got these, I want to do it every time I go in the bath or shower. I'm like, I want to smell good, but I obviously don't do it every single time. I've also got this one that is the plain Jane one. I haven't used this one that much because I use it on my armpits more, because it's a plain one and I find that would help my armpits, because obviously you're rubbing your armpit across your skin more, so try not use like these types of products on my armpit. I used the plain Jane one. There's my little rant of the day, but yeah, we're gonna continue. I'm gonna do the tops. I don't really need to do my jumpers, but I'm gonna at least do the tops, and then we're gonna run about and get ready just for the night. But I'm gonna play some more music because that's why I was dancing, because the music just got me through it, and we can do this.